dear friend, hope you are doing great. In this lesson, you will learn phrasal verbs that you have to know when you want to speak about fun and games. I will present them one by one. I will present their meanings and I will bring one example for each of them. Moreover, I've provided a PDF file including summary of each lesson with some exercises for each lesson. So I want you to download it and pay attention to that while watching each of the lessons. So, ready? Let's get into it. The first one is carry on something or carry something on. It means to continue doing something or to cause something to continue. For example, Steve just carried on playing on this computer. So we say carry on something or carry something on. Carry on something or carry something on. It means to continue doing an activity, job or responsibility. So we say carry on something or carry something on. The second one is eat out. Eat out. It means to eat in a restaurant. So we say eat out. For example, when I lived in Spain, I used to eat out all the time. So we say eat out. It means to eat in a restaurant instead of at home. The third one is give up something or give something up. It means to stop doing a regular activity or a job. For example, we are going to give up our sports club membership after this year. So we say give up something or give something up. Give up something or give something up. It means if you give up a habit such as smoking or something such as alcohol or a kind of activity or a kind of project, it means that you stop doing it or using it. So we say give up something or give something up. Number 4 is join in something. Join in something. It means to become involved in an activity with other people. For example, we only need one more player for this game. Can you persuade him to join in? So we say join in something. Join in something. It means to take part in something that a group of people are doing or that someone else does. So we say join in something. The fifth one is send off somebody or something or send somebody or something off. It means, actually it is, mostly is in British English, it means to order a sports player to leave the field because they have broken the rule. For example, he was sent off for swearing at the referee. It means that he said something, bad to the referee. So we say send off somebody or something or send somebody or something off actually. So it means to order a sports person, a sports player, to leave the playing area during a game because they've done something wrong or against the rule of the game. So we say send somebody or something off or send off somebody or something. The next one, number 6, is take up something or take something up. Take up something or take something up. It means to start doing a particular activity or a job, such as a hobby, a sport, or other things like this. For example, he has taken up cycling in his spare time, in his free time. So we say take up something or take something up. Take up something or take something up. It means to start a new job, an activity, or have a new responsibility. The last but one, number 7, is turn down something. Turn down something or turn something down. It means to reduce the level of sound or heat that something produces. For example, I asked him to turn down the heating, it's getting hot. So we say turn down something or turn something down. Turn down something or turn something down. It means to turn the switch on a machine such as an oven, radio or other things so that it produces less heat or sounds or other things. So we say turn down something or turn something down. Here is the last one. Turn up something or turn something up. Turn up something or turn something up. It means to increase the level of sound or heat that a machine produces. For example, could you turn the heating up, please? It's getting cold. So we say turn up something or turn something up. It means to turn a switch on a machine such as an oven, radio, other things so that it produces more heat or sound. We say turn on. Opposite is turn down, the previous one, number 7. You can pause the video and try to make some sentences using the presented phrasal verbs. Try to make longer sentences because it challenges your English skills so that you will understand your problems and weaknesses. Then your mind will be much more focused on your weaknesses and they're gonna be solved soon because your mind is just searching for some solutions or, improvements. Okay, that's all the phrasal verbs that I wanted to teach you about fun and games. Don't forget to study these phrasal verbs every day several times. And what I mean by studying is to watch the video very carefully over and over and build multiple sentences. This way you will learn them very soon. What I mean by learning, it means that you can, actively use them while speaking or the case that you want to write something. Now, ready to start the next lesson? It's about learning and doing things. They are very common phrasal verbs that you need to know them to speak English much more accurately and fluently. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon next lesson.